क्या आपको गल्फ रीजन में जॉब्स की तलाश है? Are you guys looking for jobs in Gulf? Then you are at the right platform. We are here for you. Hey friends, hi. Welcome to our channel Gulf Jobs Station. नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपने हमारे चैनल गल्फ जॉब्स स्टेशन में. This is the platform where we bring the opportunities, openings pertaining to Gulf region. Today we have a lot of opening, so it is a long list of opportunities. Stay tuned and watch the video completely. I hope these opportunities will help you, whoever are sincerely looking for jobs in Gulf region. Let's move on to the details which we have today. Alright, so these are the openings for Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia देश की requirements हैं, and they have all these openings which are listed here. Jizan Saudi Arabia की requirements हैं. QA QC Manager Mechanical, QC Quality Control Inspector Mechanical, Quality Control Supervisor Mechanical, QC Inspector and QC Supervisor, both are mechanical, and then QA QC Manager also they are looking mechanical. Project Manager they need, Project Secretary, Document Controller, ID Gate Pass Coordinator, and job location as I have already told you, Jizan. Qualification, degree and diploma both can apply. I don't need to explain what is diploma and what is degree. Diploma is normally a certification or 2 to 3 years of course, and degree is a full bachelor's degree. It can be 4 year or 5 year, depend on your university course syllabus and all. So experience is 5+ years. Must have 3 years Gulf experience, and they should have, applicant should have valid Iqama, ready to join immediately. Interested candidate can share their CV, profile, biodata at this email ID, which is, I'm zooming it for you. This is the email ID, hr@highlinksgroup.com. चलिए बढ़ते हैं अगली रिक्वायरमेंट की तरफ. Move on to the next opening which we have is from Kalptaru. Alright, it's a big name, Kalptaru Projects International Limited. We are hiring for oil and gas pipeline projects at Saudi Arabia. We are hiring to join our team in Saudi. So all these openings you can see on the screen, a long list. ENI QC Supervisor, Quality Record Controller, QC Inspector Civil, QC Inspector Piping Mechanical, QC Inspector Coating, QC Inspector Electrical CP, QC Inspector Instrumentation, QC Inspector Telecom, QC Inspector Material Receiving Mechanical, Material Receiving Inspector Civil, Material Receiving Inspector ENI, HSE Officers Aramco approved plus NABOSH, HSE Supervisor Aramco approved plus NABOSH. How to apply? This is the very important information you should know. So this is the formula, email ID which you need to send the application. First email ID is hr.infra@kalptarupower.com. Second email ID is hr.ksa@kalptaruprojects.com. All right, so these are the Kalptaru openings. Let's move on to the next requirement. Here we go. This is the next requirement. Everything is displayed on the screen. Location El Sheikh Zayed, and the organization is Badr Laden. So they're hiring and growing big, hiring across all departments. Join and be part of the growing and developing organization. And here is the list. It's a long list actually. If you see on the screen, is a long list. So you can choose whatever you are interested in. Mechanical technical office team leader, 10+ years of experience. Senior planning engineer, 6+ years of experience. Senior electrical site engineer, 6+ years. Senior electrical technical office engineer, 6+ years experience. Senior mechanical technical office engineer, 6+ years of experience. And then you see, for all the openings they have mentioned the position and number of years of experience. So you choose your suitable one and do share your CV, profile, biodata at the given email ID to Al Sheikh Zayed opening. There are multiple openings. I'm sure some of them, or one of them at least, will be matching to your profile or your requirement, your search. There you go. So interested candidates should send their CV, profile. A salary is negotiable. Clearly they have mentioned, so you can negotiate whatever fits as per your experience and skills. Also depend on your current CTC. So vacation, and they will provide 30 days paid leaves plus to and fro tickets as per the company policy. Contract duration is a long term. FAT provided by the company. 2 personal assistant experience, 5+ years as personal assistant. Similar field, they should have worked for 5+ years in the similar field. And the qualification is bachelor's degree, proficiency in MS Office, Excel, PowerPoint, emails, etc. Person should have handy with all these things. I'm sure these are the minor things people do. If really they are working in the corporate environment, they will know MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, emails and all. Very basic things. Candidate must have all these things. And vacation is same perks like earlier requirement, 30 days paid leave as per year. FAT employee responsibility, contract duration long term. Draftman then they need. which is 5+ years of experience as a draftsman. This is required to apply. The person should have 5+ years of draftsman experience as a draftsman experience. And qualification, sometime it happens you have different experience and then you apply for job just for the sake of experience, which will not work here. You should have a proper draftsman experience for 5+ years in any organization. Ultimately, you should know job properly, so that you can join and immediately start and sync up with the project team, start producing the drawings and all for the project. Qualification: diploma in AutoCAD, experience in CNC machine language, G code, etc. for laser cutting. Salary negotiable. Vacation 30 days, paid leave as per the norms. FAT, employee responsibility. Contract duration, long term. Now comes how to apply. So this is the email ID, sharing it now. This is the email ID, career.qatar@kaefer.com. So carefully note down the address, career.qatar@kaefer.com. चलिए बढ़ते हैं अगली रिक्वायरमेंट की तरफ. Move on to the next opening or next list of opportunities, you can say, because each requirement has multiple openings. So we have gathered the opportunities company wise, but each company has multiple profiles, openings, opportunities, grouped the openings as per the companies. चलिए बढ़ते हैं अगली रिक्वायरमेंट की तरफ. Here we go. This is the next requirement. Al-Turath engineering consultant. Al-Turath engineering consultant, LLCA Turath engineering consultant LLC, urgently hiring for all these openings. Site architect, landscaping architect, electrical inspectors, mechanical inspectors, civil inspectors, land surveyors, and all candidates for the position from 1 to 2 should fulfill the following requirements: hold a master or bachelor degree in the relevant field, possess more than 12 years of experience, fluent in English. All candidates for position 3 to 6 should fulfill below requirements: hold a bachelor or diploma degree in the relevant field, possess more than 7 years of experience, 5 years in UAE, fluent in English. CV shall be sent to the email ID, which is techhr@tec.ae. And these are the openings, site architect, landscaping architect, electrical inspectors, mechanical inspectors, civil inspector, land surveyors. So do not delay, apply immediately if you are matching with any of the opening and you are rigorously chasing. Do apply. Wish you all the very best. Email ID I have already given you, zooming it for you, techr@tec.ae. Note it down, please. Let's move on to the next requirement, which is hiring for reputed oil and gas company in Dammam, Saudi Arabia. And here we go, the list of opportunities is there. Project manager and the relevant information they have mentioned. Okay, so senior planning engineer, salary is mentioned. What you have, what you must have is there. Oil and gas experience in the construction, QC coating inspector, everything is mentioned smartly, so do not miss out any information. Watch it carefully, note it down, your preferred information, and I'm gonna tell you the email ID also. How to apply. Interested candidates can share their CV, profile, biodata at this email ID, which is recruitment1@avoir.co.in, and email ID, numbers are also mentioned, so note it down, whatever information you feel is important for you. Let's move on. Al Raha Mechanical Equipment Company, oil and gas, has below job opportunities, and there is a long list. Sandblaster, scaffolder, site engineer, construction engineer, valve technician, sales engineer, structural engineer, process design engineer, design engineer. All right, so this is a long list of it will be helpful for you. How to apply and the location, there you go. So the job location is Abu Dhabi. Email ID is recruitment@armapco.ae, spelling is ARMEPCO.ae, right? And in the beginning there is a recruitment@armapco.ae. This is the complete email ID. Note it down, please. चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे. And all these openings belongs to an EPC client in UAE. Long list. You can see electrical engineer, planning engineer, pipeline designers, safety engineers, mechanical engineer, static and rotating equipment, and then years of experience also mentioned, so you can choose as per your need. Location is Dubai, Abu Dhabi, UAE. Start date as soon as possible. Work schedule 9 hours per day, Monday to Friday. Permanent job, long-term contract. Experienced technical staff, previous experience and feasibility studies, conceptual design, FEED and detailed design. These are the technical experience detail. How to apply is very simple. They have mentioned an email ID, which is hr2@procer.org, hr2@procer.org. all right, so this is the email ID. You can refer, use it to share the applications for any of the openings which are listed here. Showing it again. All right, hope you have noted the important details. Let's move on to the next information which we have listed. All right, so next opening is construction manager. Company is China Railway International Group Company Limited, which is Krug, Abu Dhabi, UAE, with minimum of overall 12 years plus experience in railway station building as main contractor. What is required? this is something important which every person who is applying should read carefully. What they need in you must be available in UAE, bachelor's degree in civil engineering, construction management or related field, strong leadership, team management skill, ability to motivate, guide diverse construction teams, achieve project goals, proven ability to multitask, prioritize tasks, adapt changing environment, dynamic construction environment. How to apply? There you go. And this is the email ID which you need to read carefully, write carefully and use carefully. CV can be sent at crighr@criguae.com. Position, subject line, construction manager. Okay, please take care of all these details. Moving on to the next opening, which we have Emar Davlia Oil Services Company, Libya. Oil and gas industry in Libya is looking for qualified applicants to be seconded to our respective clients. So openings are senior project engineer, mechanical and piping engineer, rotating equipment engineer, senior electrical engineer, automation engineer, instrumentation engineer, all these senior positions, process control engineer, corrosion engineer, civil engineer. And you know what, these are Oman based requirement. Drilling engineer, reservoir engineer, petrophysicist they need. Working cycle, town based will 70 days work and 21 days leave basis, 70 days work and 21 days leave basis. Working cycle will be 90 days work and 21 for field based working cycle will be different, which is 90 days and 21 days off. We will cater all administrative fees, mobilization cost and everything, visa, medical, registration, travel, accommodation, meal, applicable taxes. There are long-term employment opportunities. Other job openings also there: IT system support, ERP developer, IT network engineer, IT technical support, cyber security, network technician, electrical technician, mechanical technician, instrument technician. Interested candidates may apply at this email ID. Updated CV, contact detail including WhatsApp, notice period, expected salary, they in US dollar, in Word format only, stating position applied for in the subject line, and email ID is redjim@emaroil.ly. So these are the openings and email ID which I have provided already. I think these are for UAE based client. Yeah, the hiring company is Egyptian, but the requirements are for UAE. Now the next opening is from Oman. We are hiring, looking for top-notch professionals experienced in water management solution, sewage system. A client in Oman who are pioneers in water and sewage management solutions. Positions are listed here: project manager, contract expert, contract engineer, senior project engineer, senior quantity surveyor, qualification degree in engineering for all above position, experience minimum 12 years in similar position in water and sewage management. Interested candidates can share their CV, profile, biodata at these email IDs: suman@brownfieldtc.com. Another and two, you have to send to brownfieldconsultants@gmail.com and CC is suman@brownfieldtc.com. Thank you very much for watching all the information carefully. Wish you all the very best. If you like the contents, please subscribe. You can hit the like button. Also, you can share the content so that these opportunities will reach to the needy people across the world. As a human being, we should help each other. You may share to the other people also, and if you are interested matching your opportunities and skills as per your need, you may apply as soon as possible, because all the opportunities are time based. Come first and take first basis. Apply as soon as possible. See you soon with more such details and information opportunities. Till then, take care. Bye bye.